Hey everybody, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Elite Engineering E2. I purchased the 3-port can and I'm going to have an installation video showing the installation of this. Of course it comes with these. I'm sure you've experienced the can online, other videos. Very well made, sturdy, not thin at all. That's a nice thick base there. So I'm going to be making a video on how I install it onto the ZL1 and why I'm using the 3-port can instead of the 2-port like most people. So what comes in this, of course, is the bracket. This will mount onto the can. And a little bag of goodies. Looks like it has a couple decals, business card, an extra O-ring, which is good, a few clamps, and the mounting screws for the bracket, and then the hose. So that's what comes in the box. And I have some other AN fittings coming along. I'm going to do most of them with fittings if I can. I'm going to try to stay away from the clamps. I just think it looks better. So anyway, thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification, and when I make the installation video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Have a nice day.